Hey there, and today at Build, Microsoft have announced Foundry Local, essentially bringing a local version of Azure AI Foundry and with some differences to adapt it to the small language model, local LLM movement effectively. For enterprise, from a security standpoint, this is particularly big because now we can start to look at additional use cases around local processing, data sovereignty, even running on on-premise systems, and developer laptops, essentially being able to do this, away from the internet. Now, on top of that, it's pretty big for the open source movement as well, which in turn is also always good for the security community. For open source, what we're now able to do is get kind of an additional level of efficiency over using local models, a bunch of tooling around configuring and fine-tuning those models. You can go quite far with it, I'd say. But also having it all under the one Microsoft wrapper now, so that you're building the AI in a Foundry Local and then deploying it, and you can bring your own model. Really, there's a lot of opportunity with this one.
Hi there, I'm Chris Lloyd-Jones, a Microsoft MVP in AI at Avanade and co-host of the Securing the Realm podcast with Josh McDonald. Today I want to share a quick demo of how Avanade is using Foundry Local for securely generating sensitive AI content. In my role, particularly when developing early stage ideas or producing sensitive research from Avanade's Office of the CTO, I need absolute control over data privacy and security. Foundry Model lets me run foundation models right on my own hardware, meaning that critical data never leaves my device. I'm going to show you a real-world example, creating confidential research documents or sensitive evidence summaries. Foundry Local's multi-agent workflow starts when the concierge agent captures my request. So I'm going to start the request now. The concierge uses the model which is currently running, and then it moves seamlessly to the research agent, which pulls together precise insights directly from my locally stored resources. The copywriter agent will turn these insights into structured, compelling narratives, after which the reviewer agent refines and finalizes the content. This end-to-end process is transparent, with every step clearly tracked and visible in real time. And most importantly, it all runs locally on my own machine. I can switch out models to run off Azure AI Foundry in the cloud, or I can run fine-tuned models locally. The integrated knowledge source panel keeps track of all locally stored references, retrieval statistics, and contextual information, which is critical for the precise, sensitive nature of my work. I can hover over this to see that information about Avanade was retrieved from the RAG search. Originally, the model did not know who Avanade were, and now it knows that Avanade is a consulting firm that focuses on Microsoft technology. When done, I can simply export the finished content securely and instantly, ready to be used in podcasts, strategic discussions, or further development. For sensitive, secure, and early R&D scenarios, Foundry Local has become a crucial part of our toolkit for defining and running sensitive data locally.